Morning grade 9. This is your last problem from problem set 2. Alright. Now look at the diagram. It has been given that QC, then QY, RX and RY. These four are angle bisectors. Now see students, if QC is angle bisector, that means this is dividing angle AQR into two equal parts, which I have shown by small a, small a. Similarly, these two angles are equal because this is angle bisector. I have written by B and B. This is angle bisector. It is dividing this big angle into two equal parts. I have named that angle as P and P. RY is bisector of angle QRD. This is bisector. So it is dividing this big angle into two equal parts. I have written it by T and T. Okay, so first of all, now what else is given? AB is parallel to CD is given and PS is transversal is given. And you have to show that Q, Y, R, X. Okay, this is a rectangle. So it is to be proved that the quadrilateral which is formed at the center, okay, Q, X, R, Y. Can you see this? Q, X, R and Y. So this is a rectangle. Proof is very easy. The only thing is it is matter of understanding. It's little lengthy but it's very easy. Just see now. You may pause the video and take down all these steps I have written. This is only half proof. We will continue next because there is no place. Up till here you understand. See now. As I have told you, these two will be A and A. These two will be angle BB. Both are equal because this is angle bisector. This will be PP. This will be TT. Now see here. AB is parallel to CD is given, and considering PS as transversal, you know that A plus A will be 2A. So this angle and P plus P will be 2P, these two. So these two are interior angles. Alright. Which angle? AQR. Okay, AQR means which angle? Just see. See this big angle. AQR, this angle. And CRQ, that means this angle. So these two angles are interior angles. But what is AQR? A plus A is 2A. So I have written here AQR is equal to TA. And how much is CRQ? CRQ is nothing but 2P. So in short, if these two lines are parallel and this is transversal, you know that interior angles are supplementary. So what we have? 2A plus 2P will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now if I take 2 common, what I get? A plus P is equal to 180 degree. Then A plus P will be equal to 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90. So I got A plus P is equal to 90 degree. Up till here is it clear? Okay. Now consider this triangle. Which triangle? Q, X and R. Can you see this triangle formed over here? You know that sum of major of angles of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this angle X, angle A and angle P. This three will add up to form 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Alright. So these three will add up to form 180. So A plus P plus angle X will be equal to 180. But just now we have proved that A plus P is equal to 90. So if A plus P is 90, angle X will also be equal to 90 because that will be 180 minus these two. Are you understanding me? So 90 and 90 becomes 180. Therefore, we have proved that QXR, see QXR. So this angle is proved as 90 by us just now. Is this clear? So this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle Y also, this angle also equal to 90 degree. How? Similarly, 2B plus 2T will be equal to 180 degree. So, B plus T will be equal to 90 degree. Similarly like this. But now you consider Q, Y, R. In this B plus T plus this Y angle will be 180 degree. Now, B plus T is already 90. So, again we got Y is equal to 90 degree. So, similarly, showing that B plus T is equal to 90, we get QYR. QYR, this also equal to 90. So now in this quadrilateral, we got two angles as 90 and 90. We want to prove that it is rectangle. So this A plus B, this also we have to show it is 90. and P plus T, this also we have to show at 90. Alright, up till now 2 we have proved. Now let us prove that these two are also 90 degree. Once you get all the angles as 90 degree, automatically a quadrilateral becomes rectangle. Have you understood? So let's go to the remaining part of the proof, where we are going to prove this is also 90 and P plus T is also equal to 90. So let's go for it. So coming back again, students, I have once again drawn the diagram for you to understand. Now see, so what we got is QXR. QXR. We got it as 90 degree just now. So I am marking this as 90 degree. Alright, we got this as 90 degree. As well as we got QRY. Similarly, we said we can prove QRY is also equal to 90 degree. Alright. So let us mark this as A and let us mark this as B. Now concentrate on this complete angle. Can you see this? Now see, A plus B plus B, this whole will be 180 degree because angle AQR, can you see AQR plus angle BQR. So this angle plus this angle, both, they are angles in linear pair. But what is angle AQR? Angle AQR and angle BQR. That means I am speaking about this angle and this angle. So these two angles are angles in linear pair. But AQR is made up of 2A. So what we have? 2A plus 2B is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can take 2 common. We have A plus B is equal to 180 like we did earlier. So A plus B will be equal to 90. But concentrate, what is A plus B? A plus B is angle XQY. Can you see? By angle addition postulate, XQY is made from angle A plus angle B. So we got A plus B is equal to 90. That means this also angle we got as 90 degree. Alright. Similarly, we can prove that PT will also come equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now look at this, concentrate on this quadrilateral. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is also 90. So all the angles are 90 degree. That means now this quadrilateral is nothing but a rectangle by the definition of rectangle. That is what we have seen. So remember students, first by interior angle theorem, we proved A and P as 90. Then we used angle sum property of a triangle and we proved X as 90. Similarly, we applied here also, we proved Y as 90. And for proving this, we have used angles in linear pair, by which we got A plus B is equal to 90. Similarly, P plus T is also equal to 90. And then we can prove that this quadrilateral is nothing but a rectangle because all the angles are now of 90 degree. Is it clear everybody? So this is end of our second topic. That's all from my side for today students. Please pause the video. See that the diagram is little bigger and clear. Make the notations. Do not give marks like this. It is for your understanding I have done. Okay. So let's stop students. Thank you.